if you're young and married. It's not to say that you couldn't go to your parents for some advice or a crying shoulder from time to time, but it's really not good policy when you've just been married to consistently and constantly go home to your mom and dad, make them a crying shoulder, and potentially put your mother-in-law between you and your wife. It's bad.
That's not a good place to be.
On your team, translating this to business, it's not a good idea as a business person to say, we trust each other here. My intentions are good for you. I want to work as a team here. And then turn around and down them or allow people to put a wedge in there. Like sometimes your team needs to knuckle down, tighten down, and be like, nobody's talking bad about our team. And if I hear it, I'm going to shut it down.
Yeah.
I got a lot of respect for people that are like, nah, you're not going to do that. And I've had it happen to me. I've had somebody come at me and be like, no, you're not going to try to say anything about our team. Our team is top notch and we're together.
Mm-hmm.
Boom. We're not perfect. We're just together.
We're together.
Yeah.